Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get Figma for free using Figma Education. And if you don't know what Figma is, it is basically the Google Docs for design. It allows you to share via web application design files and see other people collaborate and edit it in real time via their cursors, like seen in this animation. Just like in Google Docs where you can see people edit the document in live time. So this is a great tool. It's what we use at the Minority Programmers for logos, for prototyping, for interacting with UI and UX designers and front-end developers. And its main use cases are UI, UX, wireframing, graphic design, and prototyping, so the ability to animate your wireframe. So this is a beautiful tool, and it has been taking prominence in the industry. So this only came out in 2016, but as you see by this graph, since 2017, it's been going up, and now it has a majority of use as a design tool, with solutions like Sketch, XD, and InVision going down in prominence. And because this is based on a freemium collaborative web application model. However, there is an article that I saw here that by April 21st, which is only a few days away, they're restricting some of their free access. So today, if you go to figma.com/education, you can apply for a Figma education license for free if you're an instructor or a student, where you have unlimited projects, unlimited editors and viewers, shareable team libraries, and free for 2 years. So that is absolutely amazing. So if you're in a competition like a hackathon where you have a team of 5, paying 60 per month is going to come up to 720 annually. So this is going to save you a lot of money on that end. So all you have to do is go to figma.com/education. You do apply now, and it's going to ask you to make an account, and I'm going to make an account and sign in and then show you the form you need to do that. Create an account or log in through Google, the apply button that we saw on Figma Education, that button takes you to figma.com/education/apply, and it asks you 3 general questions: if you're a student or educator, why you're applying, and what your school name is from these enum types. When you actually pick student, it asks you your primary field of study. It also asks you for instructor, your primary field of instruction, and an additional information asks for students' expected graduation date. So this lasts for, I believe, 2 years if you're a student. And so just to show you the educator one, yeah, just the field of instruction, no date associated with that. Once you fill out all the fields in the form, the submit button will turn not white, and you'll be able to submit the email at the top you're logged in as. That will get a confirmation email in around, from my experience, 5 minutes. And then you just click on that link and you have Figma Education, that professional services for free. So it's a fairly quick turnaround time. I don't think they have any checks on this. They're just taking this form for granted as of now. So that's how you do that.